Hari Om. Chinmaya Amrit Mahotsav marks the glorious completion of 75 years of Chinmaya Mission. As part of the sacred celebration and commemorate Gita Jayanti, we invite you to chant one verse from the selected verses of Bhagavad Gita. I am chanting chapter 9, verse number 27. Yat karoshi yadashnasi yajjuhoshi dadasi yat tapasyasi kaunteya tat kurushva madarpanam. What you have to do is just chant this in your own voice. Chant with devotion and sincerity. Don't worry about the mistakes or pronunciation. Just chant and send it to us. Hari Om.